Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the YouTube website is not working on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar when Safari is open, and then select Settings, select Privacy, and then select Manage Website Data, and then select Remove All at the bottom here. Select Remove Now, then select Done. Select the Safari button again at the top, and then select Settings this time. Select the Extensions button over here, and you want to disable or turn off most of your extensions or all of them and just see if one of them might be causing the issue. And then finally, you can also check the privacy option here versus website tracking, prevent cross-site tracking. If that option is checkmarked, you may want to uncheck that and then just close out of here. And then hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.